Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Let's talk about, financial, systems, credit card processing, things like that for your business. All right. PayPal, Stripe, Square, Cube, Dingaling, Wing Wong, you name them, they're everywhere, right? Here's what most people don't realize. They're getting screwed. I mean, horrible. All PayPal, Stripe, all of these are pay-as-you-go systems. And a lot of people are using them and they don't even realize how screwed they're getting. Do not use those systems. I'm going to give you the system to use. It's called sharingthecredit.com. It's the system I use. And it gives back to your charity a choice. And your credit card processing fees are going to probably be anywhere from probably close to half less. Now, just imagine if your credit card fees were $100,000 every year and you could cut those in half to $50,000 a year. What could you do with that? Plus, a part of that is diverted. And basically, there's a piece that's allocated for the charity of your choice that doesn't come out of your money. It comes out of the bank's money that can be diverted to your charity of choice. Go check them out, sharingthecredit.com. Be responsible and be fiscal with your money. All right? I hope that was useful. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.